Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled, Man Picks a Fight with a Heavyweight Cop and Instantly Regrets It by Police Body Cam.
Leave me alone. Why are you harassing me?
Because I said you're detained.
Man, you better get your black ass on.
Or what?
On November 23rd, 2023, an officer in Riviera Beach responded to a call from a homeowner reporting that a man had damaged her property. When the officer arrived, the individual was standing in the middle of the roadway, creating a disturbance and blocking traffic.
No shoes on in the middle of the street. Drugs, mental health.
3300 block of Avenue West Sierra. Hey, is there a reason why you in the middle of the road?
I'm not over there, though.
Your feet not on fire?
But you can't impede traffic. You can't impede traffic.
His shorts don't got pockets. Why he got his phone tucked right there?
I'm on the sidewalk. Can you leave me alone, sir?
Sir.
Hey, excuse me, sir. He's bothering me. Can you record this?
Sir.
Oh, God.
I'm on the sidewalk, city property.
Sir, what's your name, man?
Man, you can't ask me my name. I ain't do nothing to you.
You impede
You messing around.
traffic, so you detained.
Ow.
And I got a call by you. Your car had to go around you because
Man,
you're in the
no
middle of
car
the
got
road.
run.
I
Stop
just
lying.
saw the car on my
Stop
camera.
lying.
What's your last name?
You can't car go around.
Hey, what's your last name? Hey, what's your last
Man,
name?
fuck
Let me
you.
do my
Man,
job.
fuck you.
Hey, let me do my job.
Get your black ass on, bitch.
Oh.
I'm black.
Oh, you threatening me?
I am black. No,
You
get
threatening
oh,
me?
I ain't threatening
You know
you.
who you talking to?
I am not threatening you.
Do you know what
I
you're
ain't
talking to?
threatening
I ain't
you.
here for the games.
Man, you
Yeah,
black like
I ain't
me.
here for the games.
Oh, you black
And I'm
like
not
me.
gonna-
What does your skin color have to do with this situation of you getting called the police on? You be the ass.
I'm not gonna
I ain't
play
threatening
with
you.
Hey, I need
Don't put
you
your hand on
to-
me.
Hey,
Ooh.
Get your hand on my face.
Ooh.
You on camera.
you detained.
Get your hand on my face. You're not
Detained.
detaining
What's
me.
your name?
You're not detaining me.
What's your name?
You're not detaining me. That car didn't report you, bitch.
How you gonna tell the cops what they can and can't do?
Leave me alone. Why are you harassing me?
Because I said you're detained.
Man, you better get your black ass on,
Or what?
or you're violating your fucking rights, bitch.
Listen, I'm standing on business all day. You
Man,
better calm
you,
down. All right.
You a black.
All right.
You black.
All right.
Back in the day, they had 5
All right.
police looking out for niggas. Now they got niggas looking out for niggas. Who the fuck you think you is?
All right, turn around for me.
He gotta be mentally disturbed. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, damn. Cop getting his ass whooped. Oh. Fight back. Fight back. Fight back. Do he got him in the chokehold? Oh.
I give up.
Oh, he got
I give
him.
up.
He said he give up.
You give up.
He realized what he was doing to a cop. That's what the fuck he said he give up for.
You mad about your ass.
He ain't got to kill him. All he got to do is just sit on him.
Don't kill him, bro.
Just handcuff
Hey,
him.
just handcuff him, man.
Just handcuff him.
Hey, bro.
Just handcuff him, dude.
Hey, you might well kill him.
I love when people want to come to somebody aid when they do dumb shit. Ain't that crazy?
You didn't have to do that, dog.
Fuck.
Come on, bro. You didn't have to do that, dog.
Hey, Officer Todd. You see how he was walking with his head down?
Auntie, calm down, auntie.
Okay, but I you talking crazy on this side, though. You better kill all that shit.
How you doing?
Oh, I'm talking about this my auntie right here, whatever you saying. Okay, well,
Hey, leave it alone, man. Leave it alone, man. Oh, you got the rest of the stuff, bro.
Yeah, I got it. Appreciate it.
That must be his like dad or uncle or something.
From this 1012 down there, causing disturbance when I pulled up.
I would have been that neighbor right there. You see him right there in the back just watching from his yard. I would have been me.
From 34.
I would have been ironing the grass or something.
Get in the house because we're not doing this today. We're not doing
Hello.
this today.
Finally, somebody take charge of the situation. She know these people. They know that.
That's right, ma'am. Thank you. That's right.
So, long story short, I saw him in the middle of the road.
I thought that was the officer right there that was fighting. It's two big ones.
Seeing traffic cars going around him, so he acting crazy. I check out with him, go over the radio, and then he go to acting crazy. Or, nah, you're not going to talk to me. Don't talk to me. I'm like, hey, I try to make sure you're good, because he's saying he's And then from there,
Gotta be the
he
sergeant.
kept trying to walk up and tell him, hey, you detained. You know, we got to see what's going on down there, because allegedly he telling them he going to kill them. And then we go
Oh,
over with
no.
him. I tell him you detained.
He filming back there.
I do like this, he just swing on me, so we get to touch him. And then my radio thing came off, so, and that's why he wasn't able to touch him.
It's fine. I heard you call. I already know.
Yeah, but we good though.
Okay.
All right.
Let's get him out of here.
He in the truck.
Yeah, let's
I'm
get him out
taking
of
him
here.
off
so
on.
they-
So bad. You probably tried to assault me, too. Hey, I need back up. Because you might try to assault me again. You took off your camera one time.
Bro, definitely off the meds.
You do it again.
What's your last name?
Huh?
What's your last name?
You'll figure that out. I ain't telling you nothing.
So I'm getting another charge?
How you giving a charge?
I get another charge.
No, I'm asking you, how you gonna give him a charge? Be a man. How you giving him a charge?
Give me your name.
For what? How you gonna give him a charge? I'm asking how you want to. Can I ask you that question?
Cause I'm finna do your paperwork.
Be a man.
Appreciate
You did
it.
not have to do that to me.
Come on.
You know, you're wrong. You didn't have to do that to me, bro. You started a little bit into a big scene. I will. I need backup pieces. I don't trust.
I think you did turn the little scene into a big scene, dude.
He took off his camera.
All right, but I'm here. I'm here.
Are you a sergeant?
I'm with North Palm.
No. Are you a sergeant?
I'm a corporal.
I want to see a sergeant because he
Sir,
took,
come out.
He took out his vest.
Buddy,
I don't want him to hurt
one
me.
or two things are gonna happen. Either we're gonna.
You know what I'm saying? I don't want him to hurt me because he took off his vest.
I'm here. He tried to hurt me. We're left in the street. Then you file your complaint later on. Come on. Okay. Let's go. We ain't got time.
You pull my pants up?
Come on, let's go.
Come on. I'll pull your pants up. Come on over. Hey, here's the deal. I ain't got nothing to do with him. I get that. You can file. Listen, let me tell you how to do this. You're that upset? File a complaint afterwards. Okay. Listen.
Filing a complaint from jail is crazy.
Here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna put you inside. We're gonna take the handcuffs off. Now you're in North Palm, all right? So you know we're not gonna play with the whole thing going back and forth. All right.
At all.
Be respectful with me. I'll be respectful with you.
Why are you using the West Palm, North Palm,
Because this is the way it goes.
and Revere?
Yeah.
Why?
Because
Let's
we're
go.
in a jail cell right now. We do all processing here. Come on, bud.
16 regret.
How big you is to me? Sorry, fuck.
My boy still got grass in his face and shit.
1249.
Step right over
Yeah,
there.
the camera's working. Come on.
Alma 23.
Got your own cell.
Look, up here. See? Camera's all
But
over.
I want to know him against him right now.
That's what he repeats. Hey,
My camera's on.
You took your camera off.
My camera's on.
Did you not, though, before? You took it off.
No, you wrestled it off for when y'all was tussling.
I know, but you took it off.
I'm gonna search you, make sure you got no weapons on you, okay?
But did you take your camera off or not?
No, you tried to take off your vest.
Hey, that officer didn't cut that AC on at all in that car. That boy sweating up a storm.
You reached your hand and took it off. You took your hand and took it off. Still took my nuts.
Yes, sir.
You a faggot, too? You big soft and a faggot? Damn. You got it bad.
All right, we're gonna step in here when I take these cuffs off. Just step right into the cell, okay?
How was you took up? Go take it to your sergeant.
put him in this one. Put him in this one.
You need to
Yes, sir.
get
All right, come on.
You do all your paperwork.
I got
You
you.
need to get some loose cuffs or soft ass. That's what you need to do. You need to get some loose
Can you
cuffs.
turn around for me?
I will.
Soft, but you in prison. That's crazy.
I'm afraid of you because you hurt me. I go inside the cell.
Thank you, sir.
Big ass turkey.
He was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, disorderly conduct, and resisting an officer with violence. However, he was only found guilty of battery on a law enforcement officer and was sentenced to 180 days in jail.
Ooh, 180 days in the county. Trash! But thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. As well as don't forget to leave a like, comment, and share as well, as it helps my page out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Away. Out.